UniCredit Bank HypoVereinsbank HVB Mastercard Kreditkarte app. The pros, the cons. If you hold a UniCredit Bank HVB Mastercard, the official app promises to simplify card management, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is account visibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming managing a credit card requires visiting a bank branch or logging in via web only. With this app, you can check balances, view recent transactions, and monitor spending in real time. Push notifications alert you to new charges, helping you detect fraud quickly. Another advantage is card control. You can temporarily block or unlock your card, set spending limits, and manage GINs directly through the app. This level of control adds convenience and peace of mind, especially if you misplace your card while traveling. The app also supports secure payments and contactless options. You can integrate your card with digital wallets for faster transactions, and even track loyalty points or rewards. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches when loading transactions or delays in push notifications. Certain advanced features, like detailed statements or international card settings, may require visiting the bank's website. Also, customer support through the app is limited, which could be frustrating if urgent issues arise. In conclusion, the UniCredit HVB Mastercard app is a practical tool for day-to-day card management. The surprising truth is that while it offers convenience and security, it doesn't fully replace the broader functions available on the bank's website or branch services. For cardholders who want quick access to balances, transaction alerts, and card controls, this app is useful, but keep in mind that full account management may require additional channels.